In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on stake future while examining the stake cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like stake, which explicitly is very critical. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the stake value forecast and answer questions in the event that stake is a wise venture or not. For what reason will stake succeed or come up short, or for what reason will stake value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what stake is in its to-date history. Stake value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a really complete breakdown. Bitcoin really has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. When explicitly add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers in a real sense are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters, green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This generally is reflected in our 2023 expectations, which is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to basically find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course in an unobtrusive manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to in a real sense do likewise. We explicitly have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike, which is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and some other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which is very huge. 2022-12-01. Plus 5.54% $0 9972 2022 1202 2.18% $0 9242 2022 1203 plus 3.45% $0 9774 2022 1204 3.42% $0 9125 2022 1205 5.75% $0 8905 2022 1206 incredibly 6.78% $0 8808 2022 1207 1.23% $0 9332 2022 1208 0.74% $0 9378 2022 1209 in opposition to mainstream thinking. 6.81% $0 8805 2022 1210, which truly is very huge. 1.98% 92 cents STAKE value expectation 2022 amazingly high expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in an unpretentious manner. At the point when we generally take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely for the most part see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023, 2022 deck. 15.51% $0 7983 2023 Jan. 33.01% $0 6329 2023 Feb. 31.09% $0 6511 2023 Blemish. 23.34% $0 7243 2023 APRA. 21.94% $0 7375 2023 May. 15.69% $0 7966 2023 June. 8.84% $0 8613 2023 Joel. 0.55% $0.93962023 AUG in an unpretentious manner, plus 9.47% $1.03 2023 SEP, or so they thought, plus 7.58% $1.02 2023 AUG, plus 12.09% $1.06 2023 NAV, in spite of mainstream thinking, plus 22.40% $1.16 STAKE value forecast 2025 to 2030 2040, which is very huge. Our expectation model sees stake arriving at new highs in 2025, $2.24. Stake cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to be 2 or 3 significant degrees higher than our 2025 forecast in a significant manner. What will stake be worth in 5 years? The cost of stake in 5 years could in a real sense lie around $5. What stake will commonly be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees stake coming to $10 in 2030. What stake will especially be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees stake coming to $20 in 2040. Will stake basically swap, generally outperform, for the most part surpass Bitcoin, in spite of mainstream thinking? No, stake won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could stake truly reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for stake to especially reach $100 in the short or mid-term period amazingly. How high will stake go? Our estimating model sees stake cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is stake worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for stake, or so they generally thought. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a very decent leave methodology, which is genuinely huge. Stake is certainly not a decent, most certainly long-haul hold. Is stake a wise speculation, which is very critical? Stake is definitely not a wise interest as we would see it, or so they thought. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, and the group behind the task is doubtful. Will stake especially make you a mogul? No, stake might not cause you a mogul, as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. How much will stake be worth, which is genuinely critical? For the genuinely momentary future, it could in every practical sense reach 53 cents in a significant way. In the essentially long haul, it will most kind of possible drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will stake succeed and become more expensive in a significant manner? Stake has a remote possibility of succeeding, which is genuinely critical. It explicitly has no first-mover advantage. It brings no commonly one-of-a-kind incentive. It has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls stake to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. What is the very transient expectation for stake? Stake will reach 53 cents in the kind of next 90 days, which is a 43% change over the in every practical sense current cost, which floats around 94 cents, or so they really thought. Stake value expectation today. What will sort of be the cost of stake tomorrow? Stake will drift around 98 cents tomorrow. When to sell and leave stake, which is very critical.